Gateway Bookbinding Systems, in business since 1965, is recognized within the industry as the plastic spiral experts. The equipment that Gateway builds is designed to bring you user-friendly productivity and flexibility. Gateway's NCF6 concept former offers unparalleled consistency and reliability in plastic spiral forming. Gateway's PBS 3000 QS4 automatic coil inserter provided the solution for automated on-demand coil insertion and finishing. Interlining Gateway's PBS 3000 QS4 inserter with the NCF6 concept former revolutionized the process of in-house plastic spiral manufacturing and coil finishing. With the PLASTIKOIL Concept QS Single Interline System, one operator can control the entire process, from coil production to finished bound book. Plastic spiral is formed in the length and diameter required, and then immediately conveyed into position on the 3000 QS auto inserter. The operator no longer needs to handle the pre-cut lengths of coil as the interline system delivers it, on demand, allowing the operator to swiftly position the pre-punched book while activating the foot pedal for efficient coil insertion and crimping. The NCF6 concept former's hot start feature is a key component of the PLASTIKOIL Interline systems. The hot start means there is no coil distortion even with frequent starts and stops. The NCF6 produces consistent, top-quality coil, and the interline system delivers it into position with zero product distortion from packaging or transport. The modular design of Gateway's machines, coupled with the high output performance of the NCF6 concept former, permits the incorporation of a second 3000 QS4 auto inserter for the bindery or in-plant looking for maximum productivity. The PLASTIKOIL Concept QS2 Dual Interline System is the solution for you. The Concept QS2 Dual Interline, with one NCF6 concept former interlined with two PBS 3000 QS4 auto inserters, enables you to double the binding productivity of a single interline setup, all without having to invest in any additional coil manufacturing equipment. The QS2 Dual Interline is the only system of its kind on the market. With on-demand coil delivery to each inserter, there is no need for synchronization. One operator can even halt production while the other continues to work. Gateway's interline systems are completely modular. Detaching one of the inserters will allow the second operator to work on a completely different binding job with a previously formed coil. This enables you to respond to those need-it-now situations. As you can see, Gateway's modular concept QS interline systems are designed to enable you to expand your production at your own pace as your volumes and coil requirements grow. Automated coil insertion with the PBS 3000 QS4 auto inserter can be your first step. With the expansion of in-house coil manufacturing with the NCF6 your next consideration, followed by the single or dual PLASTIKOIL Concept QS Interline expansion easily being accommodated at a later date. The PLASTIKOIL Concept QS Single and QS2 Dual Interline Systems from Gateway Bookbinding Systems Limited. Industry innovations from the plastic spiral experts.